So we are almost getting there. It is about an hour away from my house. We are going to Hagerman Park or Hagerman National Wildlife Refuge. It is supposedly very pretty. I'm hoping to find a millipede of some sort because I will be very happy to find one. But if I don't, that is okay because I will be seeing nature. And yeah, so there's my dad, my mom, and my sister. So this should be fun. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. So I'll let y'all watch the wilderness be the wilderness. So here we have the millipede that I caught. Its name is August. I know that it's a male because on the 6th, I think, maybe 7th body segment, it has a missing pair of legs and some organs or something that's right there instead of the legs. So it doesn't hurt them at all, actually. So I didn't get many shots, but I got a few. Oh, hi there. I'm back. I'm gonna see if we have some pill bugs. Oh yeah, I see a few. They're down there. But y'all can't see them much. So for some reason the audio didn't work on this one. I tried using my new microphone. So let's do it. I didn't put it on camera correctly, so you can't hear. But what I'm doing is I'm looking for the millipede. I took out all of his stuff, so my hand barely fits in there. But I'm grabbing him and I'm trying to carefully pull him out. And there he is, little August. Sadly, we did not find any others. I think he was just the only one probably there. But that's okay. We're just going to be putting him in there. And he fell. So I don't see him. Oh, I see him right there. Maybe y'all saw him. I don't know. But he will be doing perfectly fine with these pill bugs or isopods in here because they do have kind of the same requirements. The humidity isn't too high. But in the near future, in a few days maybe, I am going to be buying some scarlet millipede and bumble millipedes. And they will be going in a separate container, like probably a Sterilite quart bin or something like that. Nothing too fancy, but he will do well with the pill bugs in here. I did add in the other isopod that we got, as you saw, but they will do perfectly fine in here, and I hope they have a great life. There's a cork in here, some dead leaves, some sphagnum moss, and there is also some dead and decaying wood in a way. I'm adding some of the sphagnum moss from the other little isopod dudes enclosure because I couldn't find them at the time, but I did put them in there. There, as y'all saw, was my crazy isopod that I got. I have a colony of about 10 of them right now with this guy, the other isopod. It makes about 11, but I did start seeing a few more, so right now I do have around 13. I did initially start with 10, but I think maybe one of the females was carrying eggs or something like that because I got some offspring, like literally a few months after I got them. But I haven't changed their substrate, looks pretty fresh. There you can see August around there, but he'll do perfectly fine in here with the others, as I said, and they will all live a happy life. Hopefully I do get those other millipedes in soon. I will be putting them in the Sterilite quart bin, as I said, and they will be living happy lives, reproducing for me with the bumblebees, and they will be awesome in here. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!